Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on two-step verification on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on two-step verification on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings. And over here you can see the privacy and security over here just below the chat settings. If you scroll down, tap on privacy and security, and over here again at the top of the screen you can see there is the first option where it says the two-step verification. Tap on that two-step verification and you will be over here where you will be required to set a password for your two-step verification first. So let's tap on the set password and let's enter a password of which you like, and I'll be just entering a demo password. And after typing your password, guys, tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side of the screen and again retype your password over here for confirmation, guys. After retyping your password, tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side again, and over here you'll be required to enter a hint for yourself to include the password if you forget it. And with that being done, guys, I have entered the hint for me. You can enter a hint for you yourself and tap on the again blue arrow icon at the right side of the screen. And over here you will be required to enter the email address if to recover your Telegram account if you forgot your two-step verification. So let's enter the email address. After entering your email address, guys, you can see the blue arrow icon. Again, tap on it and a verification code will be sent to your email address. Receive that verification code and enter it over here. So let's wait for it, guys, and it has arrived. Enter your verification code over here and the password will be set on your Telegram account, guys. And with that being done, guys, you can see there is the two-step verification turned on at the right side, which means that we have successfully turned on the two-step verification on our Telegram. And if you log into your Telegram account on any other device, the two-step verification code will be required to log into your account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn on two-step verification on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.